One thing that you probably didn't know is that you can add to your kid's IQ. You heard it right. There are some ways you can do this, but how is it possible? In this video, we want to check some facts about IQ. Then we are going to see what we should have to do with kids with high levels of IQ. If you care about your kids, watch the video and add to their IQ. Back in the early 20th century, Alfred Binet and Theodore Simon developed some tests to identify children who might need extra educational support. Those early tests focus on specific cognitive skills relevant to school performance. Later, researchers developed standardized tests to compare individuals against a broader population. These tests attempt to measure various cognitive abilities, such as reasoning, problem-solving, and memory. The result of the test shows IQ, which stands for Intelligence Quotient. Now, we are familiar with the history and definition of IQ, so let's check some interesting facts about it. Number 1, the IQ scores of men and women differ. Men score high in sections such as spatial awareness, while women score higher in sections such as emotional intelligence and language development. However, this difference in score doesn't affect the overall intelligence of men and women. Number 2, your environment and surroundings greatly affect your IQ. Factors such as stress, social economic status, malnutrition, and attitude can impact your IQ. We're going to check this fact more, so stay with us. Number 3, a study conducted by the McGill University in 2007 found that IQ is closely related to breastfeeding. Children who were breastfed had higher IQ scores compared to other children. Number 4, IQ is increasing with every generation. This is called the Flynn effect. This increase is due to various factors including better education, nutrition, and access to more information. These are some interesting facts about IQ. Did you know them? If not, please subscribe to show your support. This part of the video is more exciting because we want to help you to add to your kids' IQ. Are you ready? Let's go. Number 1 is to add omega-3 to your diet. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats that play a critical role in brain health. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats that play a critical role in brain health, particularly during childhood when the brain is rapidly developing. DHA, which is a famous type of omega-3 fatty acid, is a major structural component of the brain. It makes up about 30% of fatty acids in the brain's gray matter. This fatty acid is vital for the formation of connections between neurons, which are essential for communication within the brain. When you kids consume omega-3 regularly, more connections are made between neurons, so your kids will be able to think and learn better. Add fish, seeds, and nuts to your kids' diet if you want to improve their cognitive function and IQ. Number 2, eat foods which are rich in iron. Iron deficiency during critical periods of brain development, especially in infancy and early childhood, can lead to long-term cognitive deficits, including lower IQ scores. Iron is essential for the production of hemoglobin, which carries oxygen to the blood. Enough oxygen supply is vital for brain function. Moreover, iron is involved in the synthesis of neurotransmitters such as dopamine and serotonin. These are critical for mood regulation, learning, and memory, and lead to communication between brain cells. All the mentioned facts can explain why doctors suggest women to use iron supplements before and during pregnancy. Number 3, eat eggs. Eggs are one of the best sources of choline, a nutrient that is important for brain development and function. In fact, choline is involved in the synthesis of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter important for memory and learning. Sufficient choline intake during pregnancy and early childhood is also linked to better cognitive outcomes and higher IQ scores, as it results in formation of more brain cells. Number 4 is to improve your sleep quality. During sleep, the brain processes information learned throughout the day. This process transforms short-term memories into long-term memories and makes it easier for children to recall information later. Sleep is also essential for the growth and repair of brain cells. As a result, a good sleep improves concentration, attention, and decision-making. Which one of the suggested ways is more interesting in your opinion? Explore that way and share the results with us in the comments. Remember that IQ is not the only thing that can define the abilities of your child. There are many other factors to consider when it comes to intelligence. Like the video if it was beneficial and helped you to learn something new. Turn on the notification and wait for upcoming videos. Take care of yourself.